So we're doing pizza tonight, and these are just the ingredients I am going to use to make my pizza. We got our vegan cheese, right? I love these guys because the cheese is very reminiscent of fresh, very soft. It doesn't have that really hard kind of texture that a lot of other vegan cheese kind of have, or that dry texture. This is very nice. Lightly wilted spinach. I caramelized a bunch of garlic, ginger, onions, and some chilies, some spicy chilies, and I just folded in my chopped spinach. Over here, I have garlic oil. I use Faze flavor enhancers, onion powder, garlic powder. I used fresh thyme, fresh garlic, minced it up, added to this, melted some butter, a lot of fresh cracked black pepper, and that's my garlic butter, right? Over here, I have some soy shiitakes. These shiitakes are from Loudmouth Farms. Sometimes I ask them to give me the mini ones, so this is what I used. I just chopped it up real quick, sauteed it with some garlic and onions and fresh thyme, right? Not cooked too much. So now we're gonna make our pizza. Enough. And then this is lightly cooked. This wasn't even cooked for a minute. Onions, garlic, caramelized those, and then with that hot oil, I just tossed my chopped green pepper, the toppings and the sauce and the cheese. All right, so you'll see. So I got my pizza rolled out, my pizza dough. Now we're gonna add the sauce. My ratio of dough to sauce is very particular. I don't like too much sauce, and I like enough dough. For a pizza like this, how much sauce I've put on here. So I'm gonna spread this first and see what it does, and then I'll know if I need to add more or not. For a pizza like this, how much sauce I've put on here. So I'm gonna spread this first and see what it does, and then I'll know if I need to add more or not. So I've added that 1 more spoon of sauce, and we have exactly how much sauce we need right now. So I'm gonna go with cheese next. And with cheese, you don't want to put too much, right? But if you like extra cheese, then obviously. So cheese is down. Now we're adding our bell peppers, and we're gonna just scatter this all around, so that way every bite we can get some of that yummy goodness. Down. Next, we're going with our mushrooms. Alright, and you notice there's a paper towel in the bottom here. This was collecting all that unnecessary oil and butter that we didn't want, because we don't want to weigh down our pizza or make our pizza too wet. Right, this helps keeps the texture and the crust nice and delicious. And now for the last, our spinach. Spinach, we're gonna just kind of just drop all over like that, and just kind of spread it out. So pizza just came out of the oven. I am brushing on the garlic butter, and then this will be ready for us to chop up and eat. So now if you want, you can put this back in the oven. Of course, it's going to give this a little bit more color and baking, so let's just do it. Add some fresh arugula on top of the pizza as it came out of the oven, and these are chopped up and ready to go. We're about to eat some pizza for dinner. Friday. Yeah, what's up, buddy?
It's the best. Daddy, did I mess up your video?
No, I'm still recording, but it's okay. You didn't mess it up.
Hey guys, Chef